Welcome back! In the last video, we covered what printed document templates are, the permissions needed, and where to find them in Sage Intacct. So you find them within Platform Services. In this video, we're going to download the Sage Intacct Printed Document Toolbar for Microsoft Word and get it installed so you can ready yourself to start building and editing templates. A couple of quick things to note before we download. The toolbar is Windows only. It doesn't work on Mac. You need to have Microsoft Word 2007 or later, and you'll want to close Word before running this installer. If you're on Mac or don't have a compatible version of Word, you won't be able to use the toolbar, but you'd still be able to view and manage templates inside Intacct itself. All right, assuming you're on Windows with Word, let's get this downloaded. So make sure you're on top level. You'll only be able to see Platform Services if you have top level access, and select Printed Document Templates. I like to star whatever objects I use the most. Okay. So once you're on this page, you're going to select Download the Sage Intacct Printed Document Template Toolbar for Microsoft Word. So we'll click that. It'll start downloading and you're going to open this file. Now I already have it downloaded on my desktop, so it'll probably take a bit longer for you. So make sure that's downloaded correctly and you can close out of here. It's very simple to install. So now that it's installed, let's get Word pulled up. And I'm going to show you now how to log in. Okay. So here I'm in a Word document, and now you'll see a tab for add-ins, and you'll have an Intacct toolbar here. So select the drop-down and select Login. You're going to enter your company ID here. This will be your user ID. Enter your password, and then you'll enter your company ID once more. If you aren't seeing this add-on in the ribbon immediately, try closing out of Word and reopening. If it still doesn't appear, you may need to enable it under File, Options, and select Add-ins, and then find your add-in to get that in your ribbon. So once you're signed in, you'll be able to now, when you go into your drop-down, you can now insert a merge field. So this is what you use to add merge fields needed for your documents. Right here in the first video, we discussed the different applications that use printed document templates. So this is everything that's available. Let's say you need to edit an invoice. You would edit through order entry, and all of your invoice transaction definitions, whether you have T&Ms, AIA documents, maybe a simplified invoice form, or a quick bill invoice, they'll all show up here, and you need to make sure that you're on the exact template. You know, if you're editing a quick bill, you need to make sure that you're on the quick bill module within this application, or it's not going to work. So now we're connected in, and we have our merge fields available. So we're all set to start working through our templates. In the next video, we'll open up an actual template. I'm going to show you how to download that. And we're going to walk through some basic formatting, like adding fields, adjusting your layout, and making it look exactly how you want. See you then.